I hope you all are doing well. This video is related to IC calculation. Unfortunately, due to busy season, I am not able to arrange a session on this topic. I have made a video so that you guys can watch it whenever you get a chance. So for this purpose, I chose Arcc company as an example for this session. So to start, you need to copy the tables from HTML file and paste it in Excel sheet. Start selection from this point and drag drop to the end of tables. Okay, I think it's time consuming. Now press Ctrl C, open Excel, okay, select entire Excel sheet and press Ctrl V. Yes. Okay, the first step is to remove merge and center. So again, select the entire sheet, the merge and center, wrap text, okay. You have to keep an eye on the columns which are useful for you and use judgment. I'm selecting all the data columns, then then drag any one column like this. It will extend the selection, which help in identifying unnecessary columns. For removing the columns, first I select the required column, then press Ctrl -N from keyboard. Here you take precautions. Do not delete the columns before and after the cost and fair value, because sometimes value exists between these two columns. So apply filter and quickly check the values. Okay, select all the columns, double click. And now I apply the filter here, data filter, then come back here with these values, Ctrl X and then enter. Same here, Ctrl X, enter. Let me check here. Okay, no value. Okay, if I drag down this sheet, there is a lot of spaces. To overcome this thing, you need to select right column, like investment. You can see that we need this label to identify the nature of investment and also getting values in correspondence column. Okay, for removing the space, select the entire investment column, press Ctrl G. Okay, or here you press special, then blanks, click OK. Okay, by selecting blank option, all the blank rows selected in columns, right? Now go to Home tab, click on delete, then delete sheet rows. Okay, all the blank rows deleted. Next part is removing titles. Select the entire columns, click filter, again come on investment, click here and search. Before that, unselect all these ticks and click on investment. Okay, so here are all the titles. Select all these rows, press Ctrl minus. The title is also removed. Okay, now we start filtering the labels from less value to high. Like start with warrants, then preferred stock, then common stock, and so on. So again, select entire columns, press filter, come on investment column, search warrants. Sorry, warrant, spell is wrong. Okay, all warrants are selected. Okay, now create nature warrant. What's going on? Copy this, press shift and drop down arrow and make selection till here, press enter. Okay, the next step is preferred strong. Okay, and before that I need to add nature in also filter. Okay, you can select here, drop down this filter and remove the warrant. Just need to preferred, copy, again shift, drop down arrow, enter. Again remove filter, apply filter, investment, and now common. Okay, common equity, common warrants. I also search common stock with other possible name, like unit, but before that I need to remove the filter and then again apply the filter. Unit. Okay. From nature column I uncheck the preferred warrant. Okay. So limited partnership units, select stuff, common stock, copy. Okay. Another possibility is interest title. Sorry. Okay. Stock. Copy. Shift. Drop down. Okay, it is practice session, so I'm not going in depth to check titles closely. No subordinate tags. Okay, operator. So coordinated. Senior score, okay, senior. And now the choose blanks and check who's left. Series be shared and probably not. Okay, title aligned. Okay, calculation almost done. We are facing space issue in these values, like this, which I will discuss later. So far I am not able to identify the permanent solution in Excel, but somehow I arranged a temporary solution, which I will discuss later. I am going to remove this column as well, because we don't need it, and short this column. Okay, and double click. Okay, first you need to apply a border on all the values like this. Okay, and save this file on desktop, then go to the online PDF converter and convert this Excel into PDF format. Okay, now download this PDF. Again on desktop, save. Let me open this file. Okay, all set. Okay, the next step is convert this PDF again into Excel format. Right, choose file. Okay, here's the Arcc tool. Okay, start. Now you can see that space issue resolved. So far I found this method until get proper solution in Excel. Okay, in original file I removed these first two columns and shift control down, apply the border and then convert this file, and here is the final version of the sheet. Okay, now I will use the pivot table. Going to insert, click on pivot table, it will automatically pick all the values, and okay. The nature columns go into rows and it's a fair value and it's amortized. Okay, it's actually counting here, so I will convert into sum. Value field settings, click on sum. Okay, then again value field settings, sum. Okay, so cross check your total fields. You can check with your investment. Here is a total investment values. The fair value is 15429, 15429 fair value, and the cost value is 1562.8.5, 1562.8.5. so this is a process of IC calculation. Thank you.